All right, y'all. Rob Anderson, Clean Power Washing Delmarva Christmas lights. So I'm getting more questions these days about what do you need to do, create a successful Christmas lights business. Out doing quotes. It's the 2nd of October, and I should finish today with a little over $10,000 in quotes. Easy. Working on reinstalls, getting those things scheduled up. Big thing about it, and thing I didn't really do as good of a job my first year doing it, is getting your image, your company out, building that awareness, building that attention. You guys know I love to do a lot of Facebook marketing and stuff on Instagram. Obviously, that's a great spot for your target demo for Christmas lights. We'll probably be using a little bit of Dope 360 to send some direct mail to specific targeted communities that have the disposable income, have the kind of properties that we would love to get up there and do, and plenty of close by neighbors that I'm sure are very much into keeping up with the Joneses. But throwing a lot of our marketing right now is into just really engaging Christmas light posts, pictures of our previous jobs, as always inviting those people who like the post to like our page, as opposed to with the power washing, where we'll run most of our posts for about 10 to 15 days and then let them kind of peter off, I guess, or whatever it is. We'll actually run these for 60 to 90 days. We start marketing heavy August 1st and getting those. And you're going to have some people who are like, oh, it's too early. Don't worry about that. The other 98 people that were really happy about it is who you're worried about. And it's kind of funny. Some of the people who really love Christmas being at Christmas time. So we're pushing a lot of people to try and get installs. We're literally starting installs on Monday and getting those going. I think we got $4 or $5 grand in lights set for Monday. Trying to hit $250,000 this year, which is going to be crazy. The amount of jump that we're going to have to do and getting so many things going to make that happen. Make sure, first and foremost, too, with all of what you're doing with the lights, it's very easy to go cheap. Do not go cheap. The leasing model or the sales model, whatever you want to do with that, they both have their pluses and minuses. A lot of guys will push you towards that leasing model. The nice thing there is that people that don't renew, you still have their stuff. You can reuse it on another house, and it's basically pure profit. Versus if they're buying it, you're still constantly having to churn out new inventory all the time, buying more and more product. With us entering year 3, we're still to that phase where we're not having to swap out old product quite yet. Potentially next year or the year after that, we'll start looking at some of it where some of the bulbs just need to be swapped because they're older bulbs and stuff. Because it's a great opportunity. It's a great additional business, especially for those of us in the power washing industry, since we have ladders and guys that are used to doing gutter cleaning and roof soft washing and stuff. So we're more comfortable with those heights. But the more that you can do early on, the better that everything will go. You can't wait until, people are like, oh, we want to install the week of Thanksgiving. You know what? Everybody wants to install the week of Thanksgiving. Here's an extra $100 off. Let us get you installed early. And those people that are like, well, we're not ready yet. We're going to wait. We'll probably call you around the 1st of December or the end of the, middle to late November. Ma'am, I get that. I just want to be really honest and upfront with you that when we get to that point, we're probably going to be 2 to 3 weeks out. Early install discounts will have gone away. Certainly we can get them all hooked up and you can just plug it in whenever you're ready. But the more that we can get done earlier, better experience for you, better time to be able to make sure that everything's perfect for you and get the best experience. And hey, it's extra time that you can have the lights on if you want. You can flip them off and on a couple times to show your kids and family and neighbors and whatnot. I will say we're probably a little bit behind the ball on some of the business lights because we really do want to get those up. And sometimes, especially with larger businesses, it can be a situation where they're taking that all into budget concerns. We've also started doing some stuff for Halloween lights. even if we don't sell a single Halloween light job, it adds to people's attention to our business right now. Like, we'll go ahead and for Halloween, we're gonna have, my parents have a couple trees out in front of their house. Great trick-or-treating neighborhood. Who knows if trick-or-treating is even gonna happen this year with COVID and whatnot. But we'll have our signs out and we'll have it all lit up. It's just about getting people to see and know what your brand is. Went by another development just recently, and huge golf course community, lots and lots. I mean, we could do $100,000 in that community alone. So we'll be hitting that up big time. But found a house on the street nearby that neighborhood, perfect tree. If we go ahead and throw 20-25 strands of lights on it, light it up for free for this lady, the whole trailer. And I think it's actually kind of cool. Instead of it being some big house with this awesome tree, it'd be a trailer with this tree all decked out, and it's going to draw a lot of attention. And really, if I'm a person living in a gated golf course community and I see that tree over there, thinking, oh, well, hey, I can't let them outdo me. So anyways, have a great day. See ya.